Supporting government to vaccinate every child everywhere because vaccines save lives. Newborn care centers are springing up in the regions and districts that need it most, sending cold chain equipment to preserve vaccines in the furthest parts of the country. Using sports to help visually impaired children thrive in school. Supporting families in urban communities to own their own sanitation. Who is doing all these amazing things and more? UNICEF in Ghana. Welcome to UNICEF Ghana. Welcome home. It's okay. Take a look around and don't be shy. It takes a lot of us. Different skills, different abilities, different viewpoints to make it all happen. That's why we are so glad to have you. So welcome.
Hello.
Bama.
Bienvenue au Ghana.
Moi.
Hei, lämpimästi tervetuloa UNICEF Ghanaan.
Benvenuti.
UNICEF Ghana에 요거서.
유니세프 가족이 되신 것을 환영합니다.
Ghana Hakuna Matata.
Here at UNICEF, we are passionate about our mandate to protect and fulfill the rights of every child. And oh, by the way, we are super proud to be the first country to have ratified the Convention on the Rights of the Child. With our headquarters in Accra and field office in Tamale, we stop at nothing to create a better world for children. How do we do this? Through our key programs.
You have joined an incredible family of professionals from around the world. Since 1982, when James Grant opened our doors, we have been working for every child. UNICEF has a large footprint in Ghana, and today you will be part of our strong capacity. On behalf of UNICEF family in Ghana, I warmly welcome you. Together, let's commit for every child.
Operations is the heart of the organization. Here in UNICEF Ghana, we facilitate and provide operational support to program delivery, ensure effectiveness and efficiency of the organization, from finance to ICT, human resource to supply, administration to security. We combine all forces with passion and excellence to optimize resources so that results for children can be achieved.
In Ghana, 3 out of 4 children suffer from multiple deprivations and 1 out of 4 are monetary poor. We work with various organizations, particularly the government, to reduce child poverty by ensuring inclusive social protection and that national policies and plans, including budgets, pay attention to the rights of children and adolescents.
Our team supports government and partners to ensure that more children in Ghana, including adolescents, have access to safe water, sanitation and hygiene and live in a clean environment. We partner with a wide range of stakeholders to model and scale up innovative solutions to deliver climate and shock resilient water services, especially for the most deprived segment of the population and schools and health centers.
Education is a right for every child, and we work very hard to ensure that every child in Ghana gets education. Whether they have disabilities, they live in hard-to-reach areas, they are girls in marginalized areas. Indeed, everyone deserves to be in school.
From birth registration to creating safe spaces for children, the team go to lengths to strengthen child protection systems and institutions. Key child protection issues we are focusing on is child marriage, child labor and trafficking, sexual and physical abuse, prevention of family separation, and safety of children online. These are being addressed primarily by strengthening the child protection workforce and by transforming negative social norms through the national social drive called Ghanaians Against Child Abuse, GACA, which has reached over 17 million Ghanaians so far through multiple communication channels, community engagements, TV, radio, and social media. Colleagues, did I leave anything out?
No, you've got it all.
The survival and well-being of newborns, children under 5, school-age children, adolescents, and women are our priority. We are Health and Nutrition Session, a team of experts who work with partners to ensure quality coverage and access to essential health services. We work to respond to disease outbreak, although we are very happy to prevent them altogether.
You are welcome to the northern region of Ghana. This is the field office, a huge part of UNICEF in Ghana. With ears and eyes on the ground, UNICEF responds quickly to emergencies and deploy interventions to the northern half of the country. Get your boots and hands ready to be soiled with great work that makes children's lives better.
We come from all over the world to get results for children. Our job is a tough one, so we make the working place and its environment a lot more relaxed, productive, and inspiring. It's all thought out pretty well, so you can stay focused and give your very best to support children reach their utmost. Oh, there's a lot more I can tell you about UNICEF Ghana, but we will let you discover it all for yourself. Let's just say we are happy to work in the only agency mandated by the United Nations to protect the rights of children, and to do so in Ghana, a country that is so peaceful, so colorful, and so hospitable. It's such a privilege.
So welcome. We are so happy to have you.
And guess who is happy?
The Ghanaian child.